art students, it's Mrs. Ballou
and Mrs. Nearhoop.
and today we're talking about the element of form. Whenever artwork is three-dimensional or takes up space, it has form.
Now I made this little sculpture, this little dinosaur, out of Play-Doh. Did I mention it was edible Play-Doh?
Edible art coming your way. In this interview, you'll learn about pastry chef Marie Hartley and her delicious works of art. Stay tuned after to learn how to make your own edible Play-Doh at home. All right, welcome, Wildcats. We're here for another interview with an amazing artist. Her name is Marie Hartley.
Hey!
And Ms. Hartley, thanks for your time today. Our first question is, what is your specialty? What is your career like?
So my specialty is what I make delicious works of art. So I have a home business, a home bakery business, and I make sweets, cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and you name it.
I've noticed that your art, it's not just delicious and sweet, but it looks incredible. I mean, you make your cakes look like cartoon characters, superheroes. You use beautiful colors. We just really admire your style.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much.
When you were growing up, did you always know that you wanted to be an artist?
No, I thought I was going to be a marine biologist. And then now I just started watching all the cake shows and thought, well, let me give this a try. And then that was 8 years ago. So 8 years later, here I am again creating delicious works of art.
When you were younger, did you enjoy your art classes, or are there any projects that you enjoyed doing when you were younger?
I did. Art was one of my favorite subjects. I do remember one where it was like on shadows. And that was when like the very first Disney Aladdin movie came out. And I did a castle and I had to put all the shadows in there, and I was very proud of my work. So.
Oh, that's great. You remember that.
Yeah, I've always enjoyed art.
Yeah, well, good. We'd love to hear that. So I wonder, what advice would you have for students who are interested in doing what you do when they grow up?
Well, never give up on your dream, no matter how old you are, because here I am, I've been teaching for like 17 years and I'm now doing my dream. So I'm really excited. If you're really wanting to do cakes, I would say, watch a lot of YouTube videos and tutorials of people making cakes or doing decorations. Honestly, that's how I've learned a lot of what I can do now, is watching videos and just really just studying everything you can about it. If that's you're gonna just be amazed by what you can do and what you can make.
Something you should know about Miss Hartley is she's not only an artist, but she's a fabulous musician. You're actually a music teacher and band director, as well as cake baker.
Have any examples you can show us?
Let me show you an example of a cake I made. This was actually entered into a cake competition. So these are like styrofoam tiers, so I'm able to keep it. Let's see if I can bring it into the screen. Can you see that?
I love the metallic. Look at the gold.
So, and this is called marble effect. So this is fondant, and marble the fondant, and then I'm gonna can you see the bottom tier there?
Yeah.
So it's like tiny roses and everything. So that's let's see if I can pull it back so you can kind of see the whole thing.
Well, it's big.
So everything we're looking at is actually edible, and just the inside is the styrofoam.
Right, exactly. Everything is edible. Can you see the top of it right there?
Yes.
Tell us about that. What material is it?
That is what's called rice paper. So if you've ever had spring rolls, like Vietnamese fresh spring rolls, that is the paper that I used. And you can create all kinds of stuff. Here's another example of,
oh my gosh.
This is a flower I made out of the same spring roll paper.
How long would you say it takes for you to make a flower like that?
Well, I actually did this as a tutorial. So this took me about 45 minutes because I was stopping and editing. But if I just made it, since I know how to do it now, because this was my very first one I ever made, it was
Mhm.
about, after it dries and everything, it probably will take about 15 to 30 minutes. But overall,
Mhm.
because you have to let the paper dry, it takes 24 hours.
Okay.
Wow.
Such delicate materials that you're working with.
Yes. But it's a lot of fun things because you get to use different materials. Like, who would have thought, like sushi roll paper, you can make
Mhm.
flowers out of, So I think
Mhm.
that's really
Yeah,
awesome.
I love that. I'm interested, Ms. Hartley, if parents or children would like to see your artwork, what website would you recommend they look up to find your portfolio or examples of cakes that you've made?
I have an Instagram for my business. It's at Sifted Savannah. I have some time-lapse videos of some cakes that I've actually decorated. So if you're really interested on how it works, or if you want to see me actually decorating a cake, then just go on there and you can see some of those time-lapse videos.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, I'll be doing that when we're done with our interview here.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, this has been so much for your time and your talent. We're so excited to share it with our Wildcats.
Well, thank you
Ready
for
to
having
try
me.
this
It's
at
been
home?
really fun.
I want green. I want blue too. Yeah, make my friends timer.
We can't wait to see all the awesome sculptures you make with your edible Play-Doh. Have fun!